This is a capture race challenge for black. The first move should be obvious. It's right here, and white should probably consider this move. And now this is obviously a 3 liberties versus 2 liberties situation. Black is about to be captured. But there is one move that we see in some of these problems, and that is the diagonal move here on the first line. This move is really great because it threatens to cut white here. White must connect. Otherwise, black can capture these 3 white stones this way. And also white cannot come in here. So number 3 is a great move. It extends black's liberties, and it greatly limits white's options. So white can only connect here. And now, black actually has 3 liberties left. So black can clamp here and kill these 4 white stones. White cannot play here, and white cannot play here. So the best white can try is to play on the outside, but it will be 1 liberty short. So if number 2 responds this way, number 3 is the key move and the main takeaway for this problem. Of course, number 2 can be here as well, and now black can play this squeeze. It's another basic capture technique that we learned in chapter 1, and black can succeed this way. If white plays here, then black can still play this, forcing white to connect here, and now black will be able to capture white like this. Therefore, as long as you know how to play number 3, you will be able to win this race to capture. And please consider number 3 in real games as well. It is a very effective move, playing the diagonal here on the first line. It extends your own liberties, and it really limits your opponent's options. Good luck, and thank you for watching.